Why are you banging on the walls in the back?
My ankle monitor was going off 5 separate times. Officer Mejia heard me or heard it. I was like putting it on the door just so I didn't want to get in trouble. It would be my very first violation in like 3 years. But Miss Priscilla Valadez is my officer. If you could please tell her.
No, that's not what we heard in the back.
Yeah,
That it wasn't related to your GPS. It was you banging on walls.
No, it was me shaking the door to get his attention. But yeah, I think my thing's dead now, and I don't want to get in trouble.
Mm-hmm. Is there anything else?
Your Honor, he has probably never focused on doing what is right for as long a period of time as you've had him on probation as well as on your conditions of bond. It's amazing.
It's good enough right now.
Yes.
He just started to get it.
Okay. It's amazing the turnaround that he has done. It's working full time out of the I guess the situation, the friends that he was keeping, all of that, Judge. But he'll be the first to tell you it was you and this court, and it was your probation officers who have guided him and mentored him and advised him and counseled him all the way through. So I don't know that he could have done any of this without being under your watchful eye and the net of probation. You generally have some kind of excuses about ankle monitors, and typically, at least in 3 years, you think that you have some, even though it was just an accident, some violation, however minuscule. But gosh, I don't know how more perfect that you could get than perfect as far as his behavior and his record, and in view of the fact that, as you can see, he looks perfectly healthy. This is a life of no alcohol and no drugs, and just really getting a grip on the fact that he knows what prison's all about, Judge. He's been there. He knows what jail's all about. He's been in many. And he knows what his father's gone through, and he's still there. So I think he's really just made a world of improvement over his personal life. And because of all that you've done, professionally speaking, all the people he could blame, all the excuses he could have, he's got them. He wanted to use them. And you've never, ever heard him tell you anything about his past. His past is very checkered, no question. But also, the hand that he was dealt was not straight aces. He's made the best with deuces, and he's climbing out of a deep hole, Judge. And he wants to continue to climb that ladder all the way out and stay out. So I would hope that you would consider all the good that he's been able to accomplish and allow him the opportunity to continue doing what's right, what's good, what's healthy. You can just look at him. He's living a healthy life. Well, it's true.
Yes.